Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 25 of saving $6-ish a day. So I have my dailies that I've been doing for a while, and this month theme is lemons, and I got it from Kimmy over Kimmy's Corner. Oh my gosh, I just wanted to say Kimmy's Corner first, but I was trying to say her first name, it's confusing. I don't know why I messed that all up. Grease is probably laughing because he is her husband and my editor. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it. So I have $12 today. So we are gonna do $6 in the minis for sure, but then I have my category of the month. So this is something I am trying. I have $6 that can potentially go in here, which will help me fund my $1,000 savings for my 1,000th video savings challenge that I have free on my Ko-fi. So we are gonna roll my Honey D6. We got a 1. Oh my gosh, I haven't rolled a 1 in here in forever. Holy cow. All right, I mean, it's still saving towards it, but that's crazy. All right, so we're gonna color in a circle just to represent a day of me doing this. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, I just wanna make sure I didn't miss coloring in anything. So we'll get that there. I just need, so we had 1 going in here, so that means I need $5 worth of prop coins with 50 cents. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, and 5. So $5 worth of the 50-cent pieces to represent all of this. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 we get to put in our dailies, which is amazing. So there's a lot of these now. Let's try to mix them in a little bit. All right, that I guess works. Okay, so we are going to put our honey dye away. We're gonna put our $11 into our bank. And now we have $11 worth of prop coins that we are gonna play with in our minis. So we're gonna roll a D3 and it's gonna tell us how many. Do I have a D4? I might use a D4 today. We'll see if this speeds it up a little bit. So I have my Venom D4. So 1, 2, 3 for number 2, because it feels like a lot of coins in my hand. 1 and 2 for 3. 1 for 4. Okay, still gives 1s. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 for number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the spinning. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 1 left. It's going to go to number 1, and we will start at number 2 tomorrow. All right, so let's go to 1. Make some room here. Oh, and somebody called this bacon grease once. You know who you are, Fitty. And it's not. It's a candle, but I put them under candle warmers, so it just melts it instead of having like open flames, because fire is scary. Okay, so we are going to move our dice out of the way, and let's see what we get. All right. We did get a 50, 25, 25. So it's $1.50 going into number 1. This one is from Kimmy's Corner and myself. Kimmy made this for one of our pop-up lives back in April. So we can do, let's see, 6 little hearts. I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't do it perfectly because it started smearing a little bit, but we have $2 in here already. let's move the 25 to here and the 50 to here. All right, so number 2, we got 50, so $1. Okay, so we got $1, 25, 50, 75, $1. So $2.25 going into number 2. And this one's from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. Okay, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $2, and 25. All right, we are halfway done with this one. This will save $8. All right, so 25 goes there and 50 goes there. All right, number 3. So we have 50, 50. All right, so we have $1, 25, 50, 75, $2 going into number 3. Oh, we just started this one from Save with Judy, so we can do 8 circles. I'll be right back. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. It's from Save with Judy. I think it was a freebie on one of her lives, if I am remembering correctly. All right, number 4. Looks like $1. And this one is from Marissa at Planning Rissa. So I have 2 50-cent ones down here, so I'm going to do those to knock those out, and the rest will be a quarter. See, that didn't smear, so I wonder what pen I used. Okay, so we have our 2 50-cents done. This is good. These are all 25. All right, so number 5, we have 50, $1, 50, $2, 25. So $2.25. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I see I have one down here for $1, so I'm definitely going to take that. Okay, and then we have $1.25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And I just did the X's, so it would be easy because of the 25 cents, because each of these are 50. So that will save us $8. So we can put the 25 there, and then 50 back here. All right, and then number 6. We have 50. Okay, so we have 50, 25, 25. So $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. And number 6 just needed 50 cents. Perfect. So this will go into a new one. I can finish this one up. So we finished this one from Candy at Stuff and Budget for $7. And I think it says shark binder. I'm cool with that. I like saving for the shark binder. All right, so we have $1.50 that we get to put into a new one. Let's see, what is this one? This looks fun. Ooh, budgeting for me. I made each little icon 25 cents, and it looks like a little vineyard wine and cheese bread basket. Ooh, yes, please. Okay, so we can do $1.50. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Nothing like a good baguette. Yum. All right, so these are 25, this is 50. So we finished one, which is amazing. So let's put our 50-cent pieces back. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All right, perfect. So we didn't get them mixed up with our 25. So now we can put our prop coins away here. We know these are all the 25-cent ones. And we finished this one for $7, and that is going to go into the shark binder. So 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's go. I think I'm just going to put this in the completed, and I will just, since there's only one to remember, I think I can do it. I got my binders right here. Let's go to shark. If I can spell. All right, it has money in here now, but I'm actually gonna take it out to film for this past weekend's video, so it might be confusing because yeah, but all's good. All right. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. That was day 25. This month is just flying by. I hope you guys are doing well. Have an amazing rest of your day and hope to see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.